So hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your image look like this to this with only Lightroom mobile application. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I will pull the highlights down, then I will pull the shadows up to get back the details from the darker areas, then pull back the whites a little bit, then pull up the blacks, and now add some contrast. So this is my basic flow of editing. Now I will adjust the curves. uh, for getting faded look, I will do this. uh, you should not go crazy with this, and then I will make a nice S curve so that I can get a nice contrast and as well as a faded look. Now in the red tab, I will adjust like this in this image. I think it is going pretty well with this image, and yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good now. I will not adjust green. In the blues I will do something. Yeah, I think it's looking good. Little bit tweak. You can do differently with your image. For this image, I think it's looking good. We are already getting the look. You can see that. Now I will adjust the white balance. I will make the image a little bit cooler and also add a little bit magenta in it. Now I will adjust each color separately: red, orange, green, yellow. I will edit them separately. I will saturate, desaturate, whatever is looking good with this image. You can also try according to you what is looking good with your image. I think I'm done. You can see it's already looking quite good. It is looking very good. Now we will add some vignetting in it to draw the attention to the middle of the image. I always add some vignetting in portraits and this kind of images. Now I will go to the split toning tab, and in the highlights I will give something like blue tone in it, and in the shadows I will give a little bit orange tone, I will say. It's looking good, I think. Yeah, now it's looking good, so that you can see image is looking quite good. We are done now. And now let me do one thing. let me go into the curves tab and give it a more faded look. I think it will look good in this image. Yeah, we are done now. We are done. It's looking good. You can see there's a huge difference where we started and where we finish. You know, it's looking very good. Somehow the image is not that well focused. I have clicked this image from the mobile, but yeah, it's looking good. You can upload it in social media. It's looking very good. Let me save the photo. Now we are done.